So what we have is Dr. Love's special guacamole secret. This is the easiest and best way to make guacamole. So there's two parts to this. One is we're gonna hand mash the guac separately from the tomatoes, the onion, the jalapeno, and the lime juice. So we're gonna make a slurry. We're gonna pour that on top of the guac. We're gonna hand mash the guac and add a little salt and pepper, and it's gonna be exquisite, okay? So we're going to cut the tomatoes. So we're actually making enough guacamole for 4 people. Typically we only make it for 2 people, but we have company coming, so we're gonna make 4 people. These are plum tomatoes. These are organic plum tomatoes. Then we have our red onion. And we're gonna put that in there. And then our cilantro, and that is the secret. The secret is the cilantro. So we're going to fine chop the cilantro. And we're going to put that in the blender. So usually I use half the amount of everything, and then we use about a half of a jalapeno, and we don't want to put the seeds in the jalapeno because the seeds are really hot. So we want a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick, but those seeds will just really push it past the point of where we want it to go. So now we're going to put the jalapenos in there. All right, and now, so we have tomatoes, cilantro, and onion, and our jalapenos. And now we're going to put that in the blender. Take our seed out, and okay, so that's 3 avocados, and that's really good. Usually we save the avocado seeds so we can grow them and sprout them. However, we have so many avocado seeds because we make guacamole every week, we don't need to save them. So we take our avocado and we scoop it out. And these are, believe it or not, these are locally grown Hass avocados. They do not come from Mexico. These are all locally grown. This one has a little brown spot, so we're just gonna cut that out. Okay, to cut our lime. the avocado. And then we're going to add a little bit of garlic salt and black pepper. Cilantro slurry. And that is your, how long did that take? Less than 5 minutes?
Pretty quick.
That was pretty quick, and now we're gonna taste that. That is so good. So you've got the flavors, tomato, onion, cilantro, garlic, salt, black pepper, and you got a little touch of jalapenos. And there you have it. And we're done. Thank you. Dr. Love's Raw Food Therapy.